Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to Golly Survival. Today I'm talking about Winchester multi-tool. Uh, not very big. Kind of cheaply made, I would think. A nice clicking noise. Doesn't feel very good in the hands at all. Has a pair of scissors, as you guys can see. Cuts very good. Yeah, piece of paper here. Well, clearly it does not cut. Oh, there we go. Say clearly it does not cut bulky stuff, but has to give a little pressure to it. Okay, no, maybe not. Oh, there it goes. Have to squeeze a good bit to do it. Let's see what else is in here. Pair of pliers, or not pliers, but tweezers for the splinters. We have a bottle opener and a flathead, I believe. Very sharp knife. Looks like we have a fingernail trimmer, and a file, and a thing to clean off your nails. I forgot something. This must be the flathead screwdriver. Excuse me. On this other side here, I missed. There's a Phillips head screwdriver also. Now, I was playing with this the other day, and the one thing I don't like about it, tools pop out if you jerk it too hard. There's no way to tighten it up. It's all riveted on, as you can see. Good shake and it all comes out. But, like I said, squeeze it. Not very good in the hands. Kind of hurts. It has this edge here. There you go. Kind of hurts, but got it pretty cheaply, so I guess we get what you paid for. There's a Winchester. I do like them. They do make good tools. Just not this one. Hope you guys like it. It's a small review. Please check me out on Facebook and Instagram. Link down below. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. Give me a thumbs up. Please continue to watch my videos. Here shortly there'll be a video on my remodel of the bathroom. Please come check that out. Hope you guys like it. Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm talking about a Winchester pocket Jesus Pete, pocket multi-tool. Wow.